Happy morning, children. வாழ்க வளமுடன். Yes, after your PA2, today is the first session for you. Yes, dears. Yes, the portions for first term that you have been received, you will be received later. Okay, in the month of October, you are going to attend the term 1 exam. Okay, for that portion and timetable we will send you later. So for that we should complete 1/3 of the portion in the book. Okay, so today I am going to start the new lesson in civics. Okay, civics is a subject which is related to the human and his society. Okay, I already told to you that geography means we learn about our earth and surroundings, what is inside the earth, what is outside of our earth, everything. History, it is about the past. Okay, but civics, it is currently what we have and what we want to do, everything. Okay, that is, it's a civics, citizens, related to the citizens. Okay, so today the third chapter in our lesson, the third chapter in our civics, that only you're going to hear. Okay, what is the third chapter name? What is government? Okay, what is government? That is our chapter. Okay, dear, did you hear the word government? Sure, we all hear the word government in so many occasions, in so many places, and so many times we hear the word government. Okay, for example, government law, government order, government school, government hospitals. Like this, we hear this word. The word is very familiar for us. Okay, so now I'm asking you, what is government and who is government? Why the government put order? We are saying no, it is government order, we should obey, like that. What is government and why we should obey the government order? Who is the government? Wait, yes, before it, here you must have heard the word government mentioned several times. In this chapter you will learn about what a government is and the important role it plays in our lives. What do governments do? How do they decide what to do? What is the difference between different types of government, such as monarchies and democracies? Okay, about this only your lesson. Yes, dears, for example, in our home, there is no water. The water connections, some problem we have in our water connections. What we will do? We'll call the plumber immediately and ask him to do the repair. Okay, and we pay to him for his service. Yes or no? Then it will be all right. And if there is no electricity, some problem, the light is not burned in our home, what we will do? Immediately we will call an electrician and we will make that repair. Okay, if there is no light on the streets, what we will do? We are ready to do that. The water is not coming in the street pipes, what we can do? The road is not proper. Okay, the road is in the rainy time and even there is no road in some places. What we will do? And there is no school for poor children get education. What we will do? Who will do this? Who will complete these needs for the other peoples? Yes, that is government. Okay, that is government. Here you see, government start to see here some newspaper clippings here given. Just you read that newspaper clippings. Government sought to protect rights of unorganized workers. Okay, the first. Detailed plan to tackle floods soon, says government. Government fixes prices of onion, says no shortage in market. Supreme Court can have 5 more judges. Government. Government for revamping coal and power sector. Over 15,000 villages declared scarcity hit by government. Okay. So here some clippings related to the government works. Okay. Government served, that means it want to strong to protect rights of unorganized workers. Government fixes the prices of onions, that also government's works only. And Supreme Court can have 5 more judges, that also government work only. Here, look at the newspaper headlines about and list the different kinds of activities that the government is reported to doing in these newspapers headlines. Okay, select 4 activities that government want to do for the people. What are that? I will give one example. The government want to fix the price of the onion. Okay, so you complete this activity in your textbook. Take your textbook and go to this page and complete this activity. I given one example for that. Okay, is not this a wide range of activities? What do you think government is discussing? Discuss. Okay, we can discuss. What do you think government is? Wait. Every country needs a government to make decision and get things done. We need the government. I already told. If a particular needs we want to do means we itself able to do. But the common need, the need for the public. Okay. So for some persons we need to do that, to fulfill the public needs. Okay, so these can be decisions about where to build roads and schools, or how to reduce the price of onions when they get too expensive, or ways to increase the supply of electricity. The government also takes action on many social issues. For example, it has several programs to help the poor. It does other important things such as running postal and railway services. Yes, this also running the public school, public hospitals, maintaining the road, providing good drinking water, everything want to do by the government. Okay, yes, listen. Here are some questions for you. If we know the answer for these questions, that's it. We know about this lesson. Here, what is government? What does a government do? Why do people need government? What types of government are there? Okay, this 4 questions only this lesson. If you know the answer for these 4 questions, that's it, connect. You completed the lesson. Okay, I hope you understand yours. What is government? Government is an authorized organization elected by the people. Okay, behalf of the people. The government selected by the people and it works one to people. Okay, that is government. According to Abraham Lincoln, government is for the people and by the people. Okay, by the people and for the people. It is formed by the people and it works for the people. Okay, dears? Yes, government is work behalf of the people. Later we will discuss. Here, what is government? Government is the system. That first question, okay? What is government? We see no for that. Government is the system that sets up and enforces the society's laws and institutions. Some governments are controlled by a few people, some are controlled by many. Okay, dears, if the government's duty here I am giving, the government's duty want to maintain the law and order, provide good education and keeping the harmony in the country, and give the proper security to the people, give the rights to the people, okay, give the freedom to the people. It want to protect the environment. It want to give the job opportunity, job security to the people and everything. Okay, this much, this many things the government want to do for the people. Okay, dears. Yes. Before that, you listen. The formation of government. How does it work? The government has also the job of protecting the boundaries of the country and maintaining the peaceful relationship with other countries. Okay, wait, I will explain you how the government, what are the works to do by the government means the government first, for example, fixing the onion price, okay, and want to provide good drinking water. Okay, fixing onion price also the government's work only. Providing good drinking water also the government's work only. Providing free schools, free education for the students. Providing good health centers, that is hospitals for the public people. Maintaining good road. Providing the good transport facilities for the people, everything. These things want to do by the government. And also providing good job opportunities for the people and making so many factories and industries for the people. And also government want to maintain the good relationship with other countries. Okay, that means, and providing the passport, that also visa to other countries and other countries people and everything. Okay, so many and then protecting us from the enemy's country. For that they want to maintain the army, navy and air force, everything. Okay, this also want to do by the government only. And our government every 5 years want to conduct the elections. Everything is a government work only. Okay, so here you want to understand what are all the for example, providing good drinking water. Okay, example, in our Perambalur district, there is Kaveri water supply, every houses we have. Yes, no? So if there is for continuously 15 days there is no water supply for us. What we can do? To whom we approach for this issue? Okay, this is first issue. Okay, there is no water supply for 15 days continuously in Perambalur district. To whom we contact for this issue? Then second one, we need we need a job in a big industry, or the people in the Perambalur want to get the good higher education. For that we need a good government medical college. Okay. For this, to whom we approach? Perambalur people need a good government medical college. So two issues. First one is 15 days there is no water supply. Second issue, we need a government medical college. And third issue, our neighboring countries such as China. In the border, China and India border, there is some mess is going. Okay, who take the decision in that case? To whom approach that case? To whom we that case? Who will give the solution for that case? So there is lot of issues are in the country. There is separate organs for in our government. That it is not organs, forms. Okay, types. Okay. That different types of government will give the solution for all these issues. Okay, dears. Before that, you just listen. What is government? Every country needs. You just remember the three issues I given you. We will discuss. Okay, there is no water supply 15 days in Perambalur. Then second issue is we need a government medical college. Then there is a mess in the border of India-China border. Okay, who will give these three issues solution? Keep it in your mind. Here, every country needs a government to make decisions and get things done. Okay, now you understand why we need a government? To make decision and get things done. Then the government takes action on many social issues like programs to help the poor, etc. Okay, that we discussed. Okay, because the people need the government hospitals, government schools, government that means public roads, public transports, everything. Okay, so somebody's we need to do this common task. Okay, so for that we select the government, our representative. Okay dears, yes, I hope you understand. Till this we will complete. You must wait for the next 15 minutes also. Please dear, you wait in this slide.